Hey guys, welcome back to me. I hope you guys are all doing well. This video is going to be a natural glowy makeup look for summer. Thinking about doing a colorful makeup tutorial as usual, but I was like, okay, I should actually do a natural glowy summer makeup look. But I know you guys like a wearable natural makeup look, and I am very excited for today's video. Today I am going to use a very less number of products because during summer I am not a makeup person. So yeah, if you are interested in watching this video, then please keep on watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let's get started. If you guys have watched my birthday vlog, you guys may know that I have short hair now. I don't know whether you guys can actually see any difference. First product that I am going to talk about is this one. This one is from Khadi. This one is their refreshing rose mist, which I personally love because whenever I'm going out somewhere, I just want a refreshing mist first. I just spray it all over my face. I don't know, I just love that refreshing feeling. You can use ice cubes, you can use aloe vera gel, anything that you like, but I personally love a rose mist, so that's the reason I'm gonna spray this all over my face. So refreshing. Then, as I am going for a glowy illuminating makeup look, I just want my skin to be glowy, obviously. So for that you have to focus on your skincare, because I always recommend this step. You have to look after your skincare, what you are using underneath your makeup. That will only enhance that glowiness when you will apply your makeup, when you will go out. That step will actually make your skin feel healthy and look healthy as well. That I am going to use my mamaearth skin illuminating face serum. Personally love this product. I'm an oily combination skin person, so this is a face serum which I personally love. To talk about face serums, they are a little bit expensive, so this is not that expensive. And I am gonna finish up my skincare step with a sunscreen, which is like the most compulsory step. Sunscreen is a really important part if you are wearing your makeup. Even if you are not going out, you have to apply your sunscreen. If you want your skin to be wrinkle free, if you want your skin to look young, you need a sunscreen. You will not believe, because I was always that, I am still that person who will always recommend a sunscreen, but I will never apply it because I am way too lazy for that. Currently I have learned so much about sunscreen, so much about skincare. Sunscreen is so beneficial for your skin. So I am going to use my Neutrogena, my favorite one. This one is the Neutrogena Dry Touch Sunblock with SPF 50 plus. Finally, I am going to do my makeup. I am not going to use a foundation for today's video. Very practical. I don't use foundation on summers, especially if I'm going out somewhere. I will never use a foundation. Use a foundation if you want to. So I am going to use my Swiss Beauty concealer. You guys already know this is one of my favorite concealer of all time. I'm going to use, as you guys can see, I have like very bad dark circles.
Electrify my golden tooth. Can't look at those eyes without sparking song. Electrify my
Obviously, this step is also a compulsory step. This is the powder from Auric Beauty. I am going to set my concealer, which is like completely necessary. You have to set your concealer. This cat here. I am going to use this big, literally so big, puffy brush. If I have a little bit of time with me, what I will do, I will just add a bronzer, my highlighter, and a little bit of blush, face a little bit of structure. For that, I am going to use this palette from Makeup Revolution. This is such a beautiful palette. Just look at these colors. Entire palette is buildable. This highlighter shade is really good for every day. Plus you can build this up if you want a very intense highlighter situation. I am going to use this darker shade, obviously.
You can do it sometime. Push it into the floor.
My blush, I am gonna use my Makeup Revolution Reloaded blush. I just love this color. I don't know why this color like screams spring and summer. Instantly gives you that fresh skin kind of finish. Then for my highlighter, I'm gonna take the same palette and I'm gonna use this true color as my highlighter. Another step that I love is to use a little bit of highlighter over here. My eyes, what I am going to do, I'm going to take this same bronzer shade. You can just wear your mascara and you're good to go, but I am gonna use a kajal. Love a little bit of smokiness. I'm not gonna use it too intensely, but let's see. By the way, this one is from Sugar Cosmetics and this is in the shade 05 Black Magic.
Look at those eyes without sparking song.
I take a smudger brush like this and I will smudge out my liner. I'm going to take the same brush and add a little bit of same kajal on my lower lash line. I'm gonna obviously use some mascara. This one is from Pack Cosmetics. This one is their No Worries mascara, which is absolutely one of my favorite mascara. I don't have that much eyelash, so you probably can't see any difference. This is a 1,000-year-long step. Still can't see any difference. For the last and final step, I am going to use my liquid lipstick and some lip gloss. I am personally not a lip gloss person, but for this video I'm going to use some lip gloss. You don't have to use it if you don't want to. Using this one from Incolor. I'm using this one from Incolor. This is such a beautiful color. This is in the shade SLCL03. The plumping lip gloss from Palladio, and I just love this lip gloss because it actually makes your lips look very like fuller, as if you have lip injection, which is kind of what I really want to do, but I will not do it. Just kidding. This is the finished look. I am so happy how everything actually turned out. This is what my skin actually looks like. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. It was such a easy, quick, simple makeup tutorial. If you recreate this look, do let me know. Do send me your pictures or tag me or DM me. I will definitely repost them. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.